Back into the trading session. Same day of the trade I took this morning. And just to give a recap on the trade, clearly bearish order flow, respecting bearish fair value gaps, disrespecting bullish fair value gaps. There's a prominent 4-hour gap here that price tapped into, and then we formed a nice 4-minute inversion here, which was the second trade that I did take a loss, which could have been easily avoided because as soon as we tap into this 4-hour gap, started spacing lower, I was like, all right, well, we inverse this 1 minute here, and so I took a short on price because I wanted the price to space a little bit lower, and I took it. Well, if you see here, there is more than one fair value gap in this leg. This one here, this one here, yeah, these two. So, and I even scrolled and I thought, the 1 minute was the highest time frame, but it wasn't. Clearly on the 2 minute, there's a gap right here. Without taking this one or this one, I would have been fine. Even if I took the waiting for this 2 minute, would have been fine. There's a 3 minute here. Ooh. It's a 4 minute here, and it even is a 5 minute, which 5 minute would have been probably too discounted, too discounted. I'm taking short, but this 4 minute. 4 minute was crazy. I mean, I could have taken a 5 minute, would have been fine. Probably get a 1-on-1, but I took the 4 minute for a 1-on-1, and we got it. But could have lost out on this stop. And I stopped out because if I had waited for the highest time frame inversion, that would have been fine. Anywho, usually I do one trade a day and I get off, but I was so I knew price was bearish. I knew price was gonna hit those draws lower, so I waited for that 4 minute close above, and then continue going. And I took TP right here, which is a 1-on-1, but I really could have held here, which would have been more than a 1-on-1. But yeah, so same day, and the reason why I'm still here is because continuing the price, it's 10-11 right now. Price tapped into this gap, right? Into this sell side liquidity here. And I just want to see what price is doing. Like, are you gonna, I don't know if we're gonna continue higher. I want to see more structure if that's the case. And if that is the case, then I'll probably look for a continuation long. So I'll probably wait for a 5 or 15 minute fair value gap to open up for price to trade back into before inversing higher. There is, if not, there's these lows here. So low right here, and this low is, if we look to the left, is like inside this bearish for daily fair value gap. So I'm like, that could be a plausible place for price to go into. So I'm just gonna let price play out and see what it does. So trade higher. Yeah, kind of want to see if price breaks that 5 minute. If it breaks it, we'll see. But I do think so we invert. We invert that 5 minute. Okay. We got a trailing leg right there. Just a 1 minute. Is price gonna really inverse that 1 minute? Nope. Wait, hold on. create a small 5-minute there. Oh yeah, could have took a long. I low key just waited because to me, I just think there was a lot of confirmation. Um, but I mean, there's a 5-minute the price came into. It went back to that gap, and there's a 1 minute here. Or that no, I didn't even look at that properly. There isn't a 1 minute. I thought there was a 1 minute. Oh. Um. Oh yeah, there's a 30-second you could have taken here. I mean, I could have waited for. I don't know. I'm low key cool with that because yeah, I'm low key cool with that. However, I wonder if we're still gonna be bearish after we take out those highs. Let's see. Just see what the rest of this trading go does. Go back. So we sweep those liquidity. Swap that. I mean, honestly, do we close up a bit on that? Nope. Oh, I mean, it's past 1 second. I don't know what I'm doing. Anywho, go to the next session. Let's go ahead and clear my charts. I like a nice clean charts. Where we at right here? Friday 7th. Do we have any news? 8:30 news. Non-farm payrolls. It's probably not going to do anything. Let's get to the 5 minute and let's get close to 9 o'clock. Let's see what 8:30 does. Yeah. Oh, holy cow, that's a large wick right there. Okay, I'll map that out. Sure, we'll map these out. Dang, okay. Oh no. I'm not gonna lie, that data high looks like a very good prominent to me. And again, we're still in bearish order flow. I mean, we disrespected that bullish gap right there. We do have a lot of chop though. You mark out this bearish gap there. It's still being held right here. Still got some highs here. I feel like price. Look at my condition. I feel like price might sweep these low resistance liquidity here. And then trade down. Yeah, I mean, I still see shorts being plausible after we sweep these. So I'm gonna wait for price to go higher. Hopefully we leave out these liquidity lows here. I mean, we absolutely swept that data low. I do see data high being something to take. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Let me go ahead and move this over. Since we already swept that. this 5 minute right here. Hmm. 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 There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing to go by. But we did respect that 5 minute though. Come on. I know you want to. There we go. Okay. Oh my gosh, what a huge. Is there 5 minutes? No. Oh my gosh. Wait, hold on. Did we already sweep out? Yeah, we did. Okay. Mm. Interesting. I respected this 5 minute here. Huh. So maybe we get a resweep? Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute to close. Okay, that's a lot better for me. The OP target 101. Yeah, I mean we got draws here. I'll probably break even here, and then we got draws here. I mean, I'm good with that. Yeah. What did I do? Bang! dang, dude. Oh my gosh, I feel so good. Let's go, bro.